Hi all, welcome back to our class. We have studied arithmetic mean or average, mode, median and range. Let us discuss some problems. First question, the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows: 6, 50, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 50. We have to find the mode, mean, median and range. We have to find mean, median, mode and range. We have studied all these concepts: mean, arithmetic mean, simply average, then mode, median, range. First, let us find arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean or simply mean or average. Mean sum of all observations. We know the formula: sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. That is our formula for finding arithmetic mean. Total number of observations. Total number of observations. Sum of all observations means, sum means 6 plus 15 plus 120 plus 50 plus 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15. These are the sum of all observations. 6 plus 15 plus 120 plus 50 plus 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 divided by number of observations: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in the question 11 players, so 11 scores are there. So total number of observations 11, which is equal to the sum of 11 observations, which is equal to 429. 429 divided by 11. When we add all these things, we will get 429. So 429 by 11, which is equal to 39. So we got arithmetic mean of this observation, which is equal to 39. Now let us find median. Next one, median. Let us find the median. So median means the middlemost observation is known as median. So in order to find the median, first we have to arrange these data in ascending order or descending order. So let us write these observations in ascending order. Which is the smallest one? Smallest one is 6, then 8, then 10, 2 tens are there, 10, then 15, 3 15s are there, 3 15s are there, 1, 2, 3, then 50, 80, 100, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 observations. We arrange these observations in ascending order. Median means the middlemost observation. So total 11. So 11, the middle of 11 means half, which will come the middlemost. That is, sixth one is the middlemost. 5 left, 5 right. Sixth one is the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 comes 50. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So middle observation is 50. So median is equal to 50. So median is equal to 50. Then next one is mode. What do you mean by mode? Mode is the observation which comes most often. Here 15 comes 3 times, 10 comes 2 times, others are 1 time. So 15 comes 3 times, so mode is equal to 15. So median is 15, middle observation, that is 15, and mode is also 15. Last one is range. Range means the formula for range is highest observation minus lowest observation. So range is equal to highest observation 120 minus lowest observation 6. So 120 minus 6 which is equal to 144. So mean is equal to 39, median is equal to 15 and mode is equal to 15 and range is equal to 140. Next question, find the mode, median and range of the data 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13 and 14. We have to find mode, median and range of the data. So we have to find median, range, etc. So first we have to arrange these data in ascending order. Which is the smallest one? Smallest one is 12. So first write 12. Again one more 12. Then 13. 2 13s are there. So 13, 13. Then 14. 4 14s are there. 14, 14, 14. Then 2 12. Okay, already right. Then 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Sorry. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. One more missing. So 14 14 14 13 16 and 19. Okay. So we have 9 observations. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have to find the mode of the observation. We know mode means highest occurring observation. Here 14 comes 3 times, so mode is equal to 40. Then median is equal to, median is the middlemost observation. From this observation, 9 observations are here. 5th one is the middle one. 4 left, 4 right. So median is equal to 14. Median is the middlemost observation. And last question, range. Range means highest minus lowest observation. Highest observation minus lowest observation. So highest observation is 19 minus lowest observation is 12. So 19 minus 12 which is equal to 7. So mode means highest occurring observation. 14 comes 3 times, so mode is equal to 14. Median is the middlemost observation. So this is the middle one. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So 4 to the left and 4 to the right. 40 comes to the middle. So median is equal to 14. Range means highest observation minus lowest observation. So range is equal to 7. So we can easily do the problems related with the mode, median and range. I will give you some examples. You have to find the answers. Find mean, median, mode and range of the following observation. First one, 6, 5, 14, 8, 11, 13, 8, 7, 3, 8. 6, 5, 14, 8, 11, 13, 8, 7, 3, 8. Sometimes when we divide, decimal point will come. When we consider finding the mean, decimal point will come. Don't worry how to write the decimal numbers. Okay. Second one, 38, 42, 35, 37, 45, 50, 32, 43, 43, 40, 36, 38, 43, 38, 40. So you have to find the mean, median, mode and range of these two questions.